The minor area resurfacing strategy, or MARS, is used when an entire road section does not reach a resurfacing threshold but has some areas of disrepair, or when funding is not available for the entire road section to be improved. Village crews will target minor pavement areas to repair to a better condition until the entire road section can be addressed. Concrete roads will have full concrete squares replaced, while portions of asphalt roads are resurfaced. It should be noted that when concrete roads are reconstructed, they are replaced with asphalt.